rolling? Are you ready?
This is so official.
Mic check 1, 2. How is it so hot in here?
Doom, 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 doom. Into this camera. The light. Is it the light?
Can I do it?
Do it.
Sweet. Go. Rolling. Scene 4, Gina.
The location of Beat Camp is amazing. Like, that's one of the reasons why we want to come here.
I think Croatia is one of the most beautiful places I've ever seen in my entire life.
We actually drove here by car just to see the nature. You have everything together, the beach, a city, options to go out.
Beat Camp made this also like a dance location. So when you put these two things together, it's just like a great experience. Like everybody's having fun in the class, after the class.
People come here not to compete or to show off in the classes.
Everybody's from all over the world.
Energy has always been the same, and that's about connecting people together.
I can't feel any of bad aura.
Here is everyone is equal.
In terms of training, it's really pushed me.
It's just a special opportunity that we don't get every day.
Everybody is like pushing themselves.
So many different dance styles in here,
Breaking, locking, jazz, dancehall, afro.
which helps you grow and find your own style, like to build yourself.
They give more than just workshop to the dancers. They give experience.
Also, each year they're really growing with the lineup, with their organization.
I learned a lot here with students, with teachers, with everyone.
It feels like everybody really care about the classes.
Everyone is enjoying.
The level of the students is rising. It's just really nice to see the growth of it, and then being able to share our craft and our style with all the students here in this amazing lineup. It's great.
Daydream, trying to see what they seen. All I hear is an echo, echo. Trying to see what they seen. Keep me going, keep me going, keep me going. All I hear is an echo, echo. All I hear is an echo. Daydream.
The vibe at the battle was very different. It's more like an exchange, and I'm gonna show you what I can do, you're gonna show me what you can do. I'm gonna push myself even more, and you're gonna push even more, you're gonna push. And by this way, you're gonna improve like together.
I'm just trying to see what they seen.
I would definitely say one of the memories that got stuck in my head is boat party.
It was so cool. It was lit. We all danced.
It was just one of the craziest experiences. People having a good time, sharing music.
The party.
The party.
Daydream.
I thought it will be just a small little towny town somewhere in the middle of nowhere, but this is a crazy party place where people are happy and smiling and everything. And yeah, it gave me this really nice feeling.
Hi, Beat Camp. We are from Germany, Slovenia, Sweden, Russia,
Belgium,
Estonia. You got the love. 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 Sometimes I feel like throwing my hands up in the air, 'cause I know I can count on you. But sometimes I feel like saying, Lord, I just don't care. But you got the love I need to see me through.
If I could describe the Beat Camp in one word, it would be crazy. You have to be here. Come and next year, 2020, be here. It's so crazy, really crazy.
I would call it incredible, unbelievable. Oh my God, this is only one word. It's hard. It's so many good words that can describe this place.
Pure.
Pure, that's the word. Yes, pure, definitely pure. In every way it's possible.
Positive. I'm gonna say positive. No, wait, I want to change it. I'm gonna change it. Can I change it? Okay, I'm gonna change it. My word would be fun. I know that's basic, but I'm just having a really good time here, so I'm gonna say fun.
To describe Beat Camp in one word,
One word only. The word is.
it's
It's
incredible. Okay.
Oh no.
Okay. To describe Beat Camp in one word, actually it's two words. I would say one of a kind.
It's exceptional,
It's amazing,
insane,
over the top,
dope,
sexy,
fresh,
hot,
swag.
And cut.